This is your heart, sister. You say you want to love God, but this is BB Niger. Don't leave your mind behind. You need your mind to know God. Nobody truly knew God that is mind enough for you. When you see a man that his mind has been sanctified by the word of God, if he speaks on other issues of life, you will see the beauty of a mind that spiritual materials have sanctified. His intellect is pure as living water. Commit God to your mind. Commit God to your intellect. Commit God to your thinking. Commit God to your soul. It is what you feed your mind with that is downloaded to your heart. Then your spirit works with it. What is heart? The heart is neither the spirit nor the soul, but there is a contact point between the spirit and the soul. The heart is like a sponge. For something to be a sponge, it must have capillary capacity. It's not all materials that have capillary capacity. And if a material has capillary capacity, you should protect that material. A man that did not plan to live an immoral or filthy life, but all the time you are consuming Telemundo, you are consuming all manner of social media. The things you are consuming that is entering your soul is putting pressure on your heart, and your heart is interfacing with them as a foam. This is your heart, sister. You say you want to love God, but this is BB Niger. This is another situation where it doesn't involve the heart. There is no contact. Watch. It doesn't matter how much you pour, it cannot pass through. Both of them are looking the same, but you are not the same. Whatever you pour here, it will not take time. It will find its way down. The man that wants to know God, what he does is that he pours spiritual, intellectual material here. Then your heart soaks it in. Then it comes out from here. It is from the heart that it is now transferred to the spirit. The spirit relates with mental and intellectual material through the heart. So what happens is this. When you pour the water, sometimes it stays on your soul. You go to the place of prayer, it's still in your mind. That thing that was simply on your head, it will start trickling down from your soul. It will make contact with your heart. A day will come, your spirit will be seeking for substance, but your spirit will never seek substance from your mind. It will seek substance from your heart. Those things that your heart has allowed to pass through, the spirit will absorb it. Then you wake up in the night and wanted to pray and find out your spirit is weak. You are asking yourself, how is my spirit weak? It is because of what your soul has accumulated for a long time, and your heart has absorbed it. The day your spirit was looking for substance, he took it from there. Sometimes it's not easy to get something from the mind to the heart. This is the way the mind is in relation to the spirit. Anything you pour in it can never go to the spirit realm. That's why men like Watchman Nee, he said that there must be the breaking of the outer man so that the inner man of the heart can make contact. This is knowledge. Books, Kenny Hagin books, E.W. Kenyon, Edward McHenry Bounds, all great men. Where is the location where it helps you? Say after me, the heart. Where are you pouring it in the first place? Say after me, the soul. This is what happens when you pray. The outer man is cracked. Then some of those information that is in your mind will enter your heart. Then your spirit man is under, waiting for that thing, that capillary action, because this thing is also a sieve. All capillary materials are sieves by nature. That's why the Bible said, guard your heart with all diligence, for out of it is the issue of life. Anything that passes your heart has entered your being. It will manifest in your life very soon. Sometimes you read 10 books, but after reading the books, the one that entered here is small. You keep reading. I asked you, have you read New Creation Realities by E.W. Kenyon? You say, yes, I've read it. Meanwhile, when you read it, it is only 2 trickles that passed into your heart. That means even though you have finished the book have not finished entering you. So after me, from today, I commit my mind to seeking God.